Smart Nora anti-snoring solution. Does one of your parents complain about the other snoring? Give your parents the gift of good sleep sense snorings with the Smart Nora anti-snoring solutions. It might sound a little too good to be true, but we figure it's worth a shot as it has a 5-star rating and is one of the Oprah's picks. PureSpa Portable Bubble Massage Spa Set. If you're looking to partner up with your siblings and splurge on an epic gift your parents deserve, look no further. This portable hot tub features a built-in hot water treatment system to smooth and protect your parents' skin. Maintenance is also pretty simple, and it comes with all the supplies you need to get started, minus the water, of course. 1 dozen color Jigsaw puzzle. Are either of your parents avid puzzle-doers? Are either of them bored with too much time on their hands? Looking for a challenge? This insane puzzle is the answer. You may even find yourself visiting a bit more often to help them put it together. Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Generation. For those with tech-heavy parents, this is a perfect gift. The Nest Learning Thermostat works with Amazon Alexa. Your parents won't have to get up or make you get up to change the temperature. They can also set timers and even control away from home to save energy and money. Dragon Cyclone X708 Drone for Beginners. Kids aren't the only ones who can have fun with electronics. Give your mom or dad this Dragon Cyclone X708 drone for beginners, and the fun will begin. This drone is not only affordable, but it's also kid-proof in case there is a need for a bit of a learning curve. It even has a one-key return so your parents won't have to worry about losing it.